got delivery of her bed. She has storage, comes with a storage space so she could put her items in on both sides. We gonna see what her bed is looking like. So excited. I haven't ordered my bed yet, and that's because I haven't found one that I like, but I need to stop being picky because that air mattress is done for. Like, that's specifically for someone who's spending the night somewhere, or you're just using it for a couple nights, because y'all, when I say my back hurt, my back hurts. So Mia got delivery of her bed. We're gonna see what it looks like put together. I can't wait for her to decorate her room. She's so deserving, and I can't wait. So her mattress will be here tomorrow. We literally starting over from scratch. Her air mattress is deflating as we speak. Her she has a small hole in her air mattress, and she's been pumping that thing up, and yeah. So I'm just grateful that she has a bed and her mattress will be here tomorrow, because she is literally on a deflated air mattress. So she might sleep on the couch tonight, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how deflated it is. Yes, rest in peace to the air mattress. Rest in peace. What's up, family? Thank you for picking up today's FaceTime call. Today, I'm excited for my daughter because she finally received her bed and her mattress. So super excited about that. This is her bed, and took delivery of the mattress today. So we are planning on putting it together because her air mattress has had it. That thing has deflated, and it's just time for a new bed. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to put it together, but I might, because I'm kind of handy. We just gonna see how this turns out. So I don't know, we're gonna try to figure it out. But either way, we're gonna let y'all see how it turns out. And between me and you, I'm gonna let her open one of her gifts because it has something to do with her room. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna call y'all back. All right, bye. this is the bed, y'all. This is what we put together. Myself and Mia. She has a sensor light. Comes on, you walk by it. She also has extra storage. Her storage drawers are right here. You know, she can put storage in her drawer. Y'all, I am nice and sweaty and hot, and I cannot wait to take a shower. So we not bad on time. It's only 10 p.m. Okay, so I am allowing Mia to open her gift that I got her for Christmas.
Oh, I love it.
You like it?
Ooh, yes.
It matches
It's
your pictures.
Perfect.
Right?
Yes, it's exactly what I needed.
Yeah.
It has all the colors in it.
Right.
You
like it?
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you. It's really nice. Ooh, I can't wait. I love it.
Okay. Mom for the win, because it's going to match the pictures that she already has. And I'm overjoyed because she's so deserving. And I can't wait to see how her room comes together, because she wasn't sure. And she didn't know if she was going to find the colors to match her pictures. But your girl did. So, with that being said, you guys, I have to get this sweat off of me. I feel yucky. I have to go take a shower and go to bed because I'm tired. I've been out literally all day since 5 a.m. So, thank you for tuning into the channel. And peace and blessings to you all. Good night.